Here this is our GRB tank. Okay, we are taking for firefighting here. As we see here, we are finding here gate valve 6-inch and the gate valve 6-inch connected together. After this change it to 8-inch pipe. This pipe is entering here, as we see, is entering the pump room. Okay, after it enters the pump room, let's go inside to check it together. We are here in the roof. Here, this our pump room. Here, this is our suction line. This suction line is connected with gate valve. This gate valve, after this flexible joint, after this giving the main pump, after this giving flexible joint and shake valve and the gate valve, and to go to the header. Here's the jockey pump also. We have pipe here 2-inch. Okay, so we use the mechanical T here to change from 8 to 2. Okay, after this we make gate valve and this flexible joint. This is our jockey pump, and it going to the header also. And here it have non-return valve also. Here the main pump number 2, electrical main pump number 2. As we see here, we have gate valve here and we have flexible joint. After this, it's giving the pump here. This is our pump, Grandfus pump. After this 1000 GBM. This is the pump, 1000 GBM. After this is the out. We have flexible joint and shake valve, and we have here gate valve. If you are going here to the header, it's going outside. Here, this is the control for the main pumps. As we see here, this is the control for the main pump. Okay, and here the control for the next pump. Here we have the control for the jockey pump, and with the DB for it. As we see here, this is the pipe that is going out and giving the system. Here, this is our supports. Okay, as we see here, this is the test line. In the test line we have gate valve, and we have here flow meter. As we see, it's flow meter to check the flow. Okay, after this is the test line is continue here and going outside again to the tank. If you are going outside here, the test line is going out. Okay, here this one and connected to the tank from the top, as we see. Okay, we have another lines, 2 lines that it's taking from the pump and giving to the system. Let's have a look on this one. Here, this is the header. As we see here, it continue here, and after this it is going down to the system. Here, this pipe 6-inch, it's going to the system from here, and from the other side also we have another one that is giving to the system also. Okay, so this is the complete network for the pump room here in the roof, and for it is the installation, proper installation as a final. Before commissioning, we will connect the electrical connection, and after this we will start in commissioning. Thank you for following us. Thank you. Here today we will explain the drain for this pump, the main pump. Okay, for firefighting. As we see here, there is one line here. We are taking the drain from here. Okay, and here also from the front of cooler and the back of cooler, from both we are taking together for this pump, and we are giving to the nearest floor drain. On the other side also, for the main pump number 2, we are making the same. In front of cooler we are making here pipe, and at the back we are making here another pipe for drain, and we are taking for the nearest floor drain. This is our drain, and here also we are making drain line from the control. As we see here, circuit fire pump controller, we are taking drain here from the sensing line. As we see, we are connecting with this one. Also we are taking drain from this one, and we are throwing it to the nearest floor drain. This is our drain for the firefighting pumps.